Hey guys, welcome here. In this lecture we initialize our project. In this lecture we'll continue, we will integrate in Vue.js framework and we will start explaining some basic topics. Okay, so let's start. Open your browsers and let's navigate to Vue.js official documentation. Let's click here Learn, Introduction, and let's find here Getting Started section because we need to copy from here Vue.js framework script. So you can copy this script here. Development version includes helpful console warnings. So this is what we need. Okay, let's copy this script. All right, let's copy it. Let's go back to our coding editors. And let's paste it here. So let's find a good spot for this. Here is a section. So let's scroll more down here and just under section, let's make some space. And I will make here more space for you. So under section, let's paste it here. And that's it. Perfect. So now we have our JavaScript code for Vue.js and we can create a Vue.js instance. So first, I will create here another script. So another script under our Vue.js. So let's write here a script like this. All right, and I will indent it properly. So on underline, so script here, and let's start. Okay, so let's create here our Vue.js application. So let's write here var up like this, and this is a new view. So we are initializing our Vue.js application. So new view like this, and inside let's provide object like this. Just empty object for now. Okay, and we need to provide here a couple of properties, and the first one is very important. First one is called EL like this, and this is where we want to mount this view instance. So we need to provide here some selector inside of our HTML where we want to initialize our application. All right. So for this, I will wrap all of my HTML code inside wrapper div element. Okay, so let's create here a new div. Just under body element, I will create here a new div like this. Okay, so opening div tag, let's scroll down here and let's provide here a closing div tag like this. And I will indent it properly, so I will select all of this from inside and move it to the right. What we'll do now, I will create here a new attribute on a div ID, and let's call it view goal like this, or view goal up like this. So these are ID on this div. I will copy this view goal up. Let's scroll down here. Let's find here our view instance, and let's provide here this selector. So let's write here quotes for a string and inside hash for a selector of ID and a view goal up. So we are mounting this view instance inside of our DOM on this element view. So all of these will be reactive and we can use some Vue.js here. Okay, so I will place here another attribute, and this is also very important, and this one is called data. Okay, so data, this is an object, and inside I will provide some data. So let's say message. Okay, so message, and this will be just a string, and let's write here some value, and this will be just hello world or hello view. Perfect. Let's save everything now. Let's go to our browsers and let's navigate to our application. So let's click here on our application and let's refresh this. Let's inspect this page. So right click here and let's inspect. All right, this will open this tab for you, and let's click here console. And now I can write here up, and this is a reference to my Vue application. I can access here my data, so I can write here up dot message like this, and you will see hello view is here. So what we want to do now, we want to display this hello view inside of our screen, inside of our application. So somewhere here, let's say under this newest and in progress tab, so let's display hello view, or under activity planner. It really doesn't matter. Okay, so let's go inside of our coding editors. And let's find good spot for this. So here is activity planner and here is navigation. So under navigation, I will create a new h1 element. So let's close this h1 and now let's get here our message value. So this is actually very simple. Just provide here double curly brackets like this, and inside let's write our message. So I am referencing here my message variable. I specified here, and this will be filled with our hello view string value, and this is called interpolation. Alright, so double curly brackets here. Let's save it, and let's go back to our browsers. Alright, you must refresh your browser, so let's refresh it. Command R, and here it is. Hello view is on the screen. It's on the right side, so maybe it's not very visible for you, but let's inspect this page, and now I will show you what I mean by reactivity of Vue.js. So let's see what will happen when I will access my application and my message, and I will change it. So I will change it for a hello Philip, like this. Let's press enter, and now let's see this message changed. So you can see our variable and our value are reactive. So our view, our DOM here, and our Vue.js application are synchronized, and we are updating these values on the screen in real time. Okay, so this was just a simple preview and initialization of our Vue.js instance, and that's it for this lecture, guys. In next lecture, we'll start working on some other Vue.js functionality. So guys, I hope to see you in the next lecture.